Pardon my sins. Her holy essence drew me in and consumed me. The second I laid eyes on her, I became aware of a faint noise in the distance, the sound of beautiful music, so I followed it. I traced each note with a footstep, erasing the sound of my own thoughts so I could study the melody deeply. And there she was, the divine messenger. Piece by piece, she performed a harmonious composition with precision and with delicacy. A crystal archway guarded a narrow den. Frozen in these surroundings, I lingered. I was reluctant to leave this angel's side, so I observed her in her sanctuary for some time. The rhythmical play made me feel unconstrained. I lost myself in that moment. Light from a shattered window pierced through and gleamed against the flow of her ebony locks. Desire swept over me. Longing to quench its desperate thirst, I visualized myself trapping her within the Eden of my love.